Hi Skin Games judges, Brenda Hogsett here, and this is for my video 3 submission for the age management category of the Skin Games. For this video, I will be demonstrating a treatment on my model. Let's take a look and see what we performed. Before we began the ProCell treatment, I started off by prepping the skin with a Mater Probiotic Creamy Cleanser and then applying the numbing solution for the ProCell treatment. Right now, I'm performing ProCell Therapy's microchanneling using their new advanced serum with lab-created growth factors and DNA repair enzymes. Rolling the serum onto the newly created microchannels optimizes the absorption of the serum's active ingredients, which are the growth factors SH polypeptide 1 and SH polypeptide 31, which accelerate healing and collagen and elastin production. And the DNA repair enzymes, these enzymes work faster than your body can on its own, helping reverse visible damage from sun exposure and oxidative stress. I follow up this treatment with the post-treatment face mask. Okay, and today I'm going to be using my two devices to use the face tip and the precision tip. Now I continue the ProCell treatment onto my client's décolleté area to aid in visible reduction of oxidative sun damage. I'm Brenda Hogsett with Skintastic Waxing and Facial Studio. Thank you for following me along this journey in the age management category of the Skin Games.